Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in to your Guardant Health account on your web portal. So, let's begin right now. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to Guardant Health account. You can do this by typing Guardant Health login. After that, click on Guardant Health. Now, you will be directed to sign in page of Guardant Health. Enter your email address and your password, then click on sign in. Make sure you already have an account to Guardant Health to successfully log in. If you are new to Guardant Health, you can create your new account. Just click on register new account. Guardant Health login page also facilitates you to recover your password in case you have forgotten it. Just click on forget your password and retrieve it successfully. That's it. Follow this simple steps and successfully log in to Guardant Health. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tips and tutorials.